Tiny House Prepper.
Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper, and I'm once again back in the little patio area just outside of the really nice building where my mom's at, the board and care facility. I wanted to give you just a little bit of a heads down. Oh, I'm tired, guys, sorry. A little bit of catching up on what's going on. I know there's a term for that. Anyway, she's got some really rough days still at times, but I think she's rallied quite a bit with us being here. And I've got her set up. She's under very good hospice care, and I have been spending some time making sure that here in the state of California, I know that I have everything as arranged as I possibly can to make sure she's going to get everything she needs. And I've appreciated the help I've been able to find. And so anyway, we're going to be flying out as of right now on the 3rd, on Monday, and head back home. And so we've had a good visit with her. She's so much more frail than she used to be. It's going to be kind of hard to leave, but I know she's in very good hands. She's still getting to see my sweet stepfather, on a regular basis, and taking good care of her. And if we need to come back out, we certainly will. So thank you for your prayers and for caring. And it's been pretty busy here, but really trying to get in as much of a good visit and just taking care of a lot of the practical things that I still need to try to make sure are all set up okay for her. So anyway, wanted to give you a little bit of a more recent report. The term I'm looking for is going completely out of my mind, and it's okay, but just current situation. So alrighty, well listen, love you guys and thank you, and I will be talking to you soon. And I'm really looking forward to getting back into the swing of things again, but this has been good to be here. It's been a pretty important visit. Alrighty, thanks, bye-bye.